Hello, everybody. Welcome to Storytime. Big Bird's Red Book by Rosanne and Jonathan Cerf. Hi, everybody. It's your girl, Shella. PROMOSTK. That's PROMOSTK ASMR Sounds, where we're doing Storytime. And this story, you guys, is a Sesame Street book. It's Big Bird's Red Book featuring Jim Henson's Muppets. It's written by Rosanne and Jonathan Cerf and illustrated by Michael J. Smolin. Let's read the book and see what happens. Big Bird's Red Book. This book is going to be about things that are red. Like, red things, right? Red things. To start off, I'm going to show you what the color red looks like. I've got something red right here in this bag. Let's see what red looks like. Do y'all know what red looks like? Something red, that's funny. I know I put something red in here this morning. Red is a very, very beautiful color. I think you're going to like it. Just hold on a minute. I know there's something red in here somewhere. I seem to have some birdseed in here. Birdseed isn't red. Hey, none of this stuff is red. I wonder what happened. I was sure I put something red in this bag. I guess this is the wrong bag. Golly, I must have put all the red things in some other bag. Didn't I have another bag with me a few minutes ago? No, wait a minute. Maybe that was yesterday. Say, I'm really sorry. I'm afraid this book hasn't been as interesting as I had hoped. I'm sorry. Squash. That's funny. That bag was full of tomatoes. I wonder why anyone would have a bag full of tomatoes on this bench. The end. Did anybody see red? Did anybody see red? Let me know in the comment section below. Did you see red? Thank you guys for listening to Storytime. Next time, bring your family and friends. Bring your brothers and sisters. Bring your nieces and nephews. Bring your grandkids and listen to Storytime. PROMOSTK ASMR Sounds Storytime. Bye. See you guys in the next video.